Don't think, I don't need any explanation, just whatever comes to your mind.
Once you were going somewhere और कहता कि अच्छा मम्मी आप इस घर में खाना बनाती हो ना, ये पूरे स्कूल में घमंड में घूमे जा रहा है कि मेरी मम्मा, मेरी इची, they are coming today as guests. अलग घमंड है, अलग मतलब मजा आता है बिल्कुल.
I'm loving this conversation with you two.
आपने मुझे कभी खिलाया ही नहीं बेड में ब्रेकफास्ट. ओह,
I think that's the most
ओहो.
fanciest one. If
वो वाला घमंड रहता है कि आज कॉफी तेरी बहन पिलाएगी.
Hi everyone, welcome to Unfiltered Moms. I'm Shilpi. I'm a mom from Jaipur and co-founder of Ladderly. Between working emails, school pickups, and birthday party kiosks, I totally get how wild this journey of entrepreneurship and birthday party and how wild this journey of motherhood and entrepreneurship can be. That's exactly why we started this podcast to talk to real moms who are doing amazing in their own way, to remind ourselves that there is no one size that fits all versions of mom life. Today's episode is extra special because we do not have one, but actually two beautiful women, sisters, co founders, and beautiful mind behind Cauldron Sisters. Welcome, Richa.
Thank you so much.
We are soon going to welcome Ratika as well, the partner in Cauldron Sister.
And the mom in the Cauldron Sisters.
And the mom in the Cauldron Sister. That's what Unfiltered Moms this podcast is all about. That is fine, but Cauldron is incomplete without you two.
Thank you so much.
So, you've probably seen their stunning food experiences and storytelling tables online. But today, we are not going to talk about food recipes. We are going to talk about how they build this journey of Cauldron Sisters while also being a beautiful mom. So, let's chat with Richa and Ratika today. Okay, Richa, let's get back to the beginning. How did Cauldron Sisters start?
So we were always very enterprising and we love food. We love to experiment and create new things. almost 10 years back, a friend of mine, she had a niece. So she wanted to something new as baby birth announcement goodies. Like अपने ये जो रसगुल्ले या फिर मिठाई देसी मिठाई बाट.
Right.
She didn't want anything desi. And she said that you guys keep on creating something new. So why don't you create a new flavor for me? A new kind of giveaway.
Okay.
So that is when we worked on jar cakes.
Oh,
So हमने वो
okay.
jar cakes बनाए. We made 100 jar cakes in a day for her. And that's when I thought, let's do something. Didi was little unsure about it because Tane, her son, was just 1.5 years old.
Okay.
But one thing led to another, and we thought, okay, it's time, let's experiment. So, yes, that was the birth of Cordon Sisters.
Nice. And who came with this name?
Actually, both of us did.
Okay.
Since we were kids, we were too much into cartoons and animated stuff. Those so-called witches brewing magic potion in a
Right.
cauldron. So we thought that, okay, let's not call us witches, but two magicians creating a magic potion. So that pot is called the काले रंग की जो हांडी सी होती है
हाँ.
cartoons में. That
Right.
pot called cauldron. So
Okay.
because we are with magicians creating magic in a pot, so cauldron, and we are sisters, so cauldron
Cauldron
sisters.
Sisters. Unique name. Very unique and very nice. Okay. Have you ever had one of those moments like, I want to quit everything now? I don't want to deal with anything.
Oh, I think that's a monthly thing. If I'm wrong, we all have ups
We
and
all
downs
have those
every
ups and
month.
downs. Yes.
And imagine two girls working together. That's a rush of hormones.
I can understand that.
So, yeah, we have our own ups and downs.
Yeah.
We do fight, but it was never like कि हाँ अब तो नहीं करेंगे काम. इतना serious
हाँ.
कभी नहीं हुआ.
हाँ.
But yeah, we are mostly on a hunt of what else can we do? What new can we do now?
Yeah. I think that kept you moving always.
Yes.
So,
We have too much of energy. It needs to get consumed. So एक ही काम करते करते we get bored very easily. That's why I keep on looking for things.
Yeah, and I think that is the main essence of any business. If you keep on moving and trying new things, you'll always look for something new. That would be very nice. So I think Ratika has also joined us.
Yep. Hello.
Welcome to
Yes, you
Unfiltered
need to
Moms.
apologize. Huh? You are too late. I was there with you.
So I think this sister chaos is always there. That is fine.
Always.
Always fine. Okay, so I was just talking to Richa about these things only, that how did Cauldron Sisters start and how did this name came up. I want to talk to you, Ratika, about it. Like, was motherhood already a part of your journey when Cauldron Sisters start?
Yes, so I called Colin Sisters as our second baby
Yeah.
because the first one was 1.5 year old when we started.
So
And
yeah.
he just learned how to, no, he did not know how to walk also when we started our work.
Okay.
So out of both of us, she's the one who talks most.
Okay.
He's the one who's always the busiest. मेरे पास
I think it's always the case when the two sisters are working together.
who's the
One is
busiest?
both are busy, but one is a silent
You think?
worker.
No, we are equally completely into it.
Ah.
So
I'm
yes,
the one
but yes,
who likes to reserve my energy, and I'm the lazy one, so I don't want to talk.
let's say that she's the lucky one, that she gets to never want to reserve, but yeah, she gets to reserve it.
I'm loving this conversation with you two. Very
Absolutely.
nice.
Hey, you love us more.
Acha, okay. Does your kid understand like what exactly you do? What's the funniest or maybe the sweetest thing he has ever told you about your work?
Richa will tell this because she has
Okay.
and she created this loveliest memory.
Okay, tell me, please.
Well, I have got so many memories. I don't know. The funniest thing was once, I don't know where did he get this idea from, but he used to think कि मम्मी घर जा लोगों के घर जाके खाना बनाती है. I'll tell you where did that come from.
Okay. Yeah.
So when we started, उसको खाना भी नहीं आता था. So he has seen us working since that time.
Okay.
तो वो सुनता था सब कुछ.
Hmm.
हम लोग कम्युनिकेट कि ये हमारे क्लाइंट का घर है, ये हमारे क्लाइंट का घर है, क्योंकि वी
हाँ.
वर इनटू होम केटरिंग.
Of course.
यूज्ड टू सी, वो कहीं जा रहे थे तो भवानी ड्राइवर को हम बताते थे कि कल इस घर में खाना डिलीवर करना है उसमें. तो वंस वी वर गोइंग समवेयर और कहता कि अच्छा मम्मी आप इस घर में खाना बनाती हो ना. तो देन आई हैड टू एक्सप्लेन हिम कि बेटा हम ना कंसल्टेंट्स हैं, मेड्स नहीं है. So he has no certificate.
How would he
skills
get to know,
about what.
right? That I'm pretty sure is the
And we've been
sweetest and the
very open to
embarrassing
it.
thing to hear from your child.
पर सिर्फ हम दोनों के सामने ही बोला था.
I was about to say the same thing, at least just in front of both of us.
And the
But that
cutest
is-
thing is, he was in grade one. He was in grade one. So
Okay.
इसके school में they wanted us to conduct a talk show for
हाँ.
the first graders.
Okay.
That about nutrition and what should they eat and all. So the teacher tells me कि पूरे स्कूल में घमंड में घूमे जा रहा है कि मेरी मम्मा, मेरी इची, मेरी सिस्टर को इची बोलता है.
हाँ.
They are coming to school today as guests.
Oh
So,
my
you know,
God.
first grade, roaming around flaunting your name is quite a proud
How
moment. and
proud
funny.
you were as a mom at that time.
सही बताऊं मुझे टाइम नहीं मिलता. She pointed it कि यार it's such a proud thing to come.
I'm sure
And
it must be.
imagine in his class when we were conducting that session, सबसे पीछे he was sitting
हाँ.
and ऐसे यूं करके ना ऐसे मतलब उसका घमंड ही नहीं उतर रहा था. He was sitting like that.
Of course.
और फिर उसके बाद लॉकडाउन लग गया था. उसके बाद से लॉकडाउन लग गया था.
But now he's a grown up and he understands things.
A lot.
Yeah, that
More
is
than
very
he
good. More than he should. I think today's generation is very smart.
Yeah.
And he really enjoyed the perks he gets because of our work.
Yeah.
He's fully utilized having great time with.
So he completely knows how to use mom for his own things. That is very nice. Okay, so I've talked about this to Richa. I want to talk to you also, Ratika, about it. Like, have you ever had this moment that I want to quit everything? And how do you bounce back
Every
from
day,
it?
every day, it's okay.
It's okay,
So
right?
that's the benefit working with your sibling, or I should say working with your sister. Because एक का mood down है, दूसरे का ऊपर है. So it's a seesaw. When
It's
I
a
am down,
seesaw.
she picks me up. When she is down, I have to. Problem arises when we both feel
Both
down.
are down.
Both are down and both sometimes we both think alike. So that's when we get scared. यार same सोच रहे हैं गड़बड़ हो जाएगी.
गड़बड़ हो जाएगी. Yeah, definitely. चलो, on a lighter note, let's play a quick game. Okay, it's this or that, but a little bit of mom addition to it. We'll ask simple questions also. Okay, don't think, I don't need any explanation, just whatever comes to your mind. Okay, very simple. Meal preps or last minute cooking?
Both are good with me.
You
Client
have to
call.
select one.
What did you say?
I
Meal
said
preps.
last minute, and you are the meal prep one.
I am the prep one. I like to prepare for everything.
Okay. Okay, client call with background chaos or hiding in the bathroom.
I'm like background
Hiding in
chaos
the bathroom.
You're hiding in the bathroom and you're like, it's okay. The background chaos is fine.
फोकस।
Okay,
या तो
very
मेरा
nice.
हाथ यूं चल रहा होगा, सबको बात करती रहूंगी और हाथ यूं चल रहा चुप। अभी यही हो रहा था इसके यहाँ।
आंखें दिखाती है, वो भी बता नहीं रही
Very nice. Okay. Kids in the kitchen or out of the kitchen?
आउट ऑफ
है।
द किचन।
It's a chaos in the kitchen when they are inside.
नो, आई एम द chaos, so they all should be away.
Makes sense.
मैं clearly tell them,
I'm
जब मैं
in the
खाना
kitchen
बनाती
so
हूँ तब
that
मुझे
we can
माता आ
try.
जाती है, तो पंगे मत लो।
Okay. Fancy brunch or just messy pajama breakfast at home?
नाउ
Fancy.
दैट्स समथिंग, नाउ दैट्स समथिंग। मूड के ऊपर है यार, लेजी हो तो पजामा ब्रेकफास्ट आई वोंट माइंड। आई नेवर हैड, आई हैड माय शेयर ऑफ पजामा ब्रेकफास्ट।
हाँ.
फैंसी बाकी है अभी।
Fancy बाकी है. And what about you, Richa?
अगर मुझे कोई ले जा रहा है तो फैंसी, अगर मेरे खुद के ऊपर है then I'll be the lucky one.
लेजी वन,
कि दे
जैसे आज
दो.
लेजी डे चल रहा है।
I am out. दे दो मुझे breakfast in bed. I wish. I think that's the most
ओहो,
fanciest one. If we can get breakfast in bed.
यस
आपने मुझे कभी खिलाया ही नहीं बेड में ब्रेकफास्ट।
भाई, कमरे में आकर खाना खा रहे हो बैठे, अभी जो अपने ब्रेकफास्ट, अभी अपने लंच इन बेड किया है, तो उसका क्या,
नहीं
व्हाट
नहीं, इसका
सोल्यूशन डू वी
मतलब
हैव?
है कि बिल्कुल उठो नहीं, कुछ नहीं करो।
Oh, no, no, I've had my share of. See, for 9 months when I was expecting my son, I was on bed rest. मैं तो सारे मील बेड खाए।
Breakfast in bed
But
बहुत मिल
yeah, you
गया.
have to tell him, हाँ बहुत मिल गया। And we've also had champagne brunches, breakfast खाए हमने, champagne पिए नाश्ते में आराम से।
That is nice. Okay, your sisters and co-founders. That's very a dynamic. That's such a unique dynamic. So what happens when Ratika is having a full-on mom day? Like Richard, you step in.
Yeah, she's equal in raising my kid completely.
So would you like you step in as a mom day? I'll just go out and work.
हाँ, no, not about work. I'll go out and party. So I've
No time party.
dropped several times with her कि आज तुम संभालो, हम जा रहे हैं डेट नाइट पे, या तुम संभालो, we are going out for a movie. We've done a lot. We've done that. It's
Yeah.
An equal partnership. So this thought never came कि we both have our own breaks.
Right.
Like today I'm working, tomorrow she might not work. So
Right.
yeah, we have to. Aldron is our baby, so we have to work on it.
Yes. So, how will you explain your typical day, like working on Colron Sisters and your daily life as well?
Oh, it's very easy because we started as home caterers and because we wanted to work from home. And home firke, like we work from my house majorly, so that it's easy for Richard to come and go, and it's easy for me, like having, every full house.
Yes.
So yes, we started as caterers, then work from home was easy. In COVID, work from home was easy. And in the morning, we do our daily chores and all. Then she comes over. Then we either sit and work on a book, or we are shooting. We shoot in my own kitchen. So whatever planning we are doing, we do it from here and manage the house as well. So the day goes smooth. Then when we have events, then we have to move out.
That is very nice. Would you like to share something about the book that is upcoming?
Go ahead.
So we are those Marwaris who came from Burma. So our grandfather, he used to live there, and our dad is Burma born. He was 1 year old when they had civil war and everyone had to shift over here.
Okay.
So we have our own kind of Burmese Marwadi.
Okay.
The Marwadi Burmese. So we got few things from Burmese culture, cuisine, and we gave them some. So
Okay.
our fifth is on that Marwadi Burmese.
Nice.
जो recipes हैं उनको हमने यहाँ पे आके settle किया.
These days, culinary is all about, documenting your past, documenting your history, documenting everything that we know. So it's like nothing is called authentic or nothing is like कि यही streamline में होना चाहिए. So everybody is documenting their lineage. So this is also one of our initiative to know, क्योंकि हम तो बचपन से खाउसवे खाते हुए आए हैं, जब ये दुनिया को पता भी नहीं था. हमारे यहाँ तो खाउसवे भी बनता था, बहुत सी बर्मीज डिश बनती थी जो कि अभी 5-10 साल में ट्रेंड में. So we wanted to list it
है जो अभी भी लोग नहीं जानते. At least इंडिया में या जयपुर में people don't know about those Burmese delicacies.
So I think that would be a very unique book and a very good recipes to follow also.
We believe so.
Definitely it will be. So I would like to ask you one question because being a new mom, I'm always concerned like what should I give it to my kids? Like how the meals should be very properly nutritioned and everything. How to balance everything out. So can you give us a suggestion for that?
Very clearly, because firstly we are Indians and Indian habits जो हैं best हैं, जो आपने मम्मी नानी दादी जो कहती हैं सब खिलाओ. And and eat only what you eat. Don't go for any packaged stuff, bottled
हाँ
stuff, या mixie में पिसा हुआ stuff.
हाँ
Feed my son's first meal was Garden Cafe की idli sambar. First, one of my mausi, she told me कि यार natural रहा करो,
Hmm.
जो खा रहे हो bite जरूर खा. How old is your kid?
16 months.
Oh,
So she,
so just started weaning, right?
yeah, she
नहीं, एक
has.
साल हुआ. Yes, so it's like आपने क्या, what do you feel generally?
So,
क्या खिलाते हो?
I'm also in a joint family, and everybody says that खा रहे हो साथ में बैठाओ, बाइट दे दो, बाइट दो
Best thing to
इसको. हाँ, चाहे फुल मील उसी का मील खिलाओ, which is कम मिर्ची and everything, but bite दो. So this is what they
yes,
have told me, but I really want to know if it is the right way to do it, because
yes,
I
that's the
don't
best
know
way to do it.
Instagram and doctors nowadays नमक नहीं दो, चीनी नहीं दो 2 years तक. So I don't know what is right and what is wrong. Really want to know that.
Thing is, we are little देसी. हम बिल्कुल बिलीव करते हैं जो मम्मी नानी दादी ने जो किया वो सब सही है.
हाँ
चीनी यस, नो चीनी आफ्टर 5 PM, क्योंकि उससे फिर वहीं पर हो जाते हैं, फिर वो रात भर
हाँ
नाचते हैं. That's the only.
हाँ
And we don't have our mom now with us anymore. So, but मम्मा ने उसको चॉकलेट्स भी खिलाई,
हाँ
कोक भी पिलाई
हाँ
बेबी को. और हमने मम्मा को कौन कहे, तो
हाँ
अच्छे से बिगाड़ के रखा था. It should be as natural as possible. I remember when Tanay just got into school.
हम्म
So there were some kids कि इन्होंने आज तक आइसक्रीम नहीं खाई है. And I was like, what?
हाँ
आइसक्रीम नहीं खाई 3 साल के बच्चों ने.
हाँ
So थोड़ा सा दिक्कत हो जाता है. And we've traveled with Tanay everywhere. We never leave him back.
हाँ
हमने कभी उसके लिए कुछ नहीं किया.
हाँ
कहीं ना कहीं कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाता
कुछ
है.
ना
तो
कुछ मिल
दोस्तों,
जाता है.
as normal as you can for your own good. बच्चे को फर्क नहीं पड़ता है,
I
आप
know
परेशान हो जाओ.
हाँ for your own sanity I guess. Otherwise हमेशा डब्बा पैक करके ही ले जाना पड़ेगा. You don't have option, and I think after few years, this is what I've been told, कि तब आप परेशान हो जाओगे and the kid will have a habit कि अब तो हमें यही खाना है. तब you
Yeah,
will
we
get
saw people
irritated.
जो खिचड़ी मेकर लेके जा रहे हैं अब्रॉड.
Right.
खिचड़ी हर जगह मिलती है, ब्रेड बटर हर जगह मिलता है.
Right.
Richa, we used to feed him everything ना, केक्स वगैरह जो
Yeah,
मिलता था.
and you need to spoil the kid. मतलब can you imagine? Is it good for you कि
हाँ
आपको बचपन में चीनी नहीं खाने दिया जाए, नमक
हाँ
नहीं
it's
खाने
fine.
दिया जाए?
मतलब
Your
I
life would
don't
be so
feel which is
different.
हाँ I don't feel this is right, but it was such a debatable topic कि openly बोल भी नहीं पा रही थी कि हम तो खिलाते हैं. तो I thought it's better to talk to somebody who is a good.
These days the lifestyle is like that only. You
हाँ
can't live without. जब आपको सारी जिंदगी ये सब खाना ही है, तो
हम्म
बचपन से ही चालू करो ना यार.
हाँ at
You need
least
to have ice cream parties and
हाँ.
chocolate evenings और ये सब होना चाहिए.
Okay. So let's fast forward and imagine your kid being 10 years from now. What values from Cauldron Sisters you would like to that he carries around?
Be kind
First of
and be
all, I
natural.
think no. First of all, I think that he'll be okay with the female in his life working. They are not
Yes.
Vella.
Yes.
वो सारा दिन पे बैठ के ना टाइम पास नहीं कर रही है.
Very,
They have
very
their own
nicely
life.
said.
Yeah, they have their own life,
Hmm.
and you all make time for each other, but at the same time, you do your own thing too.
I think prior
His gender equality in our
prior
house. And he's okay with the feminine energy overpowering, क्योंकि उसकी मदर काफी overpowering है, मौसी भी अच्छे से उस पे चला लेती है. So he's okay with it.
हाँ.
Like it's every, like my husband cooks, my dad can also cook, my father-in-law used to cook too. So हमारे यहाँ ये नहीं है कि you know कि आदमी घर पे खाना खाने जाता है और फीमेल काम से घर पे जाके खाना बनाती है.
हाँ.
So it's like Rahul and Mimi, can you do this job? Or you know we all share that. So firstly he is being raised like that कि उसको अपनी लाइफ में फीमेल पावर से ही प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. फीमेल्स रूल करती हैं.
Whenever we play, like Tanya and me, so I am like his sibling and not his mausi as such.
Okay.
हाँ, मैं उससे
So I
पूरी
get
तरह
double
लड़ भी लेती हूँ,
हाँ.
and when we play games, I am equally competitive. So
Okay.
मोस्टली चीजों में तो मैं बाकी ही निकलती हूँ.
Okay, very nice. Okay, what would you want your kids to remember most about this phase of your life? Like you're building something which is very meaningful for you guys, and while obviously raising him along.
The
You want to
struggle.
Sorry?
We want him to remember the struggle that Rome wasn't built overnight. So
Right.
it takes time to
Right.
set up brand or set up your company, and it takes time, मतलब sweat, blood, everything.
Very
everything, and he should not be you know completely let go कि हार गए आज तो खत्म बात. Let's say अभी he's just
सही बात.
growing, so he plays a lot of pickleball and there was a tournament and he plays amazing. He's been playing for like 6 years.
Oh, okay.
So
So not for a
yeah,
trending thing. He was playing.
so he made a great start, and then he started losing in between, so he wanted to quit. So every day we teach him that being a quitter is not our thing. So you lose some, you win some, but you have to go ahead. So he should see that how we all work. There are some days when we are very depressed, some days we are very excited,
Right.
some efforts are being acknowledged, some are not. So he should remember that always.
A
If you
very
want
nice
to win,
message
you
for the young
have to
people.
be ready to lose.
Yes, completely agree to it. I think a very nice message to all the young listeners who are obviously struggling with this thing right now. Very nice. One last thing before I let you guys go. Like, what is the message that you would like to give it to the listeners, the women who are struggling to maybe start over or maybe struggling to make the passion their work?
So we
Okay, but
started zero investment. We didn't take money from anyone. We just started with our passion and some smart tactics. That's it.
Okay.
So हम लोग हमेशा ये कहते हैं there's only one person who stops you, that's you yourself. इसका क्या होगा, उसका क्या होगा. Sometimes it's like खुद पढ़ो देखा जाएगा. So be kind to yourself again. थोड़ा smoothly चलो. Take the plunge.
it's all about taking the risk and don't forget to enjoy the process. Yeah, मतलब ना अभी तो hard लगेगा, you'll cry, you'll struggle, but later on you'll enjoy also, and you have to
We
enjoy the
really
process.
enjoy it. We really enjoy that we are self-made. We made
उसमें
our
अलग
own.
ही घमंड है.
अलग घमंड है, अलग मतलब मजा आता है बिल्कुल कि थाली में डाल के कुछ नहीं मिला, क्योंकि दूसरों को जो चीज 2 स्टेप में मिल जाती है हमको वो 15 में मिलती है. आई बी वेरी स्ट्रेट. 2 और 15 इतना, पर जब मिल जाती है देन इट्स लाइक मोर डिलिशियस देन
More
एनीवन
delicious.
एल्सेस.
हाँ, और फिर उसके बाद में ना वो वाला घमंड रहता है कि आज कॉफी तेरी बहन पिलाएगी.
Of course. Thank you so much, Richa and Ratika. Thank you for being so honest and open. And this is a kind of conversation that reminds us that we are not alone in this messy and magical juggling act.
We're all there and it's a path, everybody has to go through it. So it's like, और रिचा के लिए मैंने easy नहीं छोड़ा कि being Tane might be my kid but it's our kid.
Our
It's,
kid.
she has had equal sleepless
No,
nights.
he is there to discipline him somewhat, like 50%, and I am there to spoil him.
Well,
100%.
of course. Very nice. So, to everyone listening, follow Calderon Sisters for not just inspiration about food, but beyond that. And stay tuned for more unfiltered mom stories because we are all figuring it out, one tantrum and one to do list at a time. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much. We had super time. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Lovely talking to you, Richa and Ratika. Bye bye.